Hi, my name is Bhanu Sai. I have prepared for NEET 2024 exam from Sri Chaitanya. I am a full-time classroom student of Sri Chaitanya. I have scored 720 in NEET 2024 exam. My journey with Sri Chaitanya Gosala was transformative. It was not just about academics, it was a holistic approach towards success. I have attended live classes where I learned new concepts from our teachers. My next step was to clear all my doubts related to the concepts with my teachers. My best step was to do error analysis after each exam by discussing with my faculty. This helps me to rectify my mistakes. Sri Chaitanya played a crucial role in helping and supporting in my NEET preparation. Teachers provide personalized mentorship and provide guidance based on my individual strengths and weaknesses. One-to-one doubt resolving feature has helped me a lot, and experts are always there to help me, and because of this I achieved this amazing result. I focused in my preparation by solving questions based on concepts. During the last month, Sri Chaitanya came up with final test series for NEET exam. This final test series was a game changer, and it helped in boosting my confidence and improving my skills. Based on the final test series, I have identified my mistakes and weak areas. I worked hard on those areas to gain strength. It had given me a required amount of confidence to do my level best at the final day of examination. I strongly recommend my juniors to trust Sri Chaitanya and follow the instructions, and you will get the best rank. Proud to be Chaitanya.